Okay, I thought I would take a moment since the weather has cleared a little bit. We've had some pretty serious storms this week, but I wanted to show you where we're at on our hoop house. It's basically done, and we've got a few extra little touches that we've got to button up, but it's working right now. It's actually a working hoop house at this moment. I showed you on previous videos the steps that we took in getting it going, with the posts to solidify the entire structure, the beds, filling the beds, amending the beds. We got the hoops up, and then we got the plastic over, just the two of us, and it's one big piece of plastic. It's not seamed or anything, so I'm 61 inches tall, so it wasn't easy to pull it over, but we did it. And then we got it in place with these little metal tracks. We put 2x4s about 2.5 foot high, put these little metal tracks on it, and then use wiggle wire to hold the plastic down, and it's working really well. I had my suspicions that it might not work as well once we got into these winds, but these storms this week have shown me that this thing is pretty solid and it's going to stand up to them. But anyway, we've got this handled. Bird netting on the bottom, plastic on the top, the end walls framed out and covered, and then as soon as we got everything going, I had been amending my beds as soon as we got the dirt in it, and then I got them planted. So they've been in here planted now for about a week or so, maybe a little over a week, and they have already grown at least, I'm going to say 50% more. They have really started putting on the life. I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited as to how this season's going to unfold. We've got several varieties of tomatoes in here, and as well as peppers, and then I also have the various herbs that I've seeded in here that help them grow. I'm big on companion planting. We'll do more on that later, but I just wanted to show you the process, and basically we're done. We open it up. If you see there, we open the sides up to allow airflow to get in, because it does get warm in here, especially on a sunny day, and they definitely need the airflow. But it's working well, and I'm really hoping that we have a great season, and I'll show you some more updates as it goes.